He started with tips from pizza deliveries and ended up delivering his own future. A true story of grit, growth, and a $1,000 dream. From $1,000 to financial freedom, Jake's journey. Jake was a 26-year-old pizza delivery driver living in a small apartment in Ohio. He had always lived paycheck to paycheck, saving whatever small amount he could. One day, after getting a tax refund and tips, he had $1,000 in his bank account, more than he'd ever had at once. Instead of spending it, he made a decision. I'm going to invest this and learn everything I can about money. Education before action. Jake didn't rush. He spent 2 weeks reading free resources, blogs, YouTube videos, and forums like Reddit's R-Investing. He learned about index funds, stocks, real estate, crypto, and the power of compound interest. He realized he didn't need to gamble. He needed to be consistent. His first investment, ETFs. He opened a Roth IRA through a brokerage and invested $500 into a low-cost S&P 500 ETF like VO or SPY. The other $500? He kept it in a high-yield savings account as an emergency fund. His goal was simple: invest $100 monthly from his job and never touch the money unless it was a true emergency. A side hustle spark. Inspired by his new mindset, Jake started a small side hustle, buying old phones locally, fixing them up with YouTube tutorials, and selling them on eBay. He reinvested every dollar of profit into more inventory and his portfolio. After a year, he turned his $1,000 investment into over $5,000, $1,500 from the market, $3,500 from his growing side hustle. Scaling up. By year 3, Jake had saved $20,000. He used $10,000 to buy into a real estate syndicate that offered fractional ownership of rental properties. The other $10,000 kept growing in the market. His phone flipping turned into a used electronics business. He registered an LLC, started an Instagram page, and eventually partnered with a local repair shop. By year 5, his portfolio was worth $42,000. His business made $30,000 in profit a year. He had quit his pizza job and was financially stable. Jake wasn't rich, but he was free. Free from debt, stress, and fear of money. You don't need a lot to start. You need intentional action, consistency, and patience. With $1,000, Jake didn't just invest in the stock market, he invested in himself. If this story inspired you, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real stories of financial transformation. Remember, sometimes all it takes is $1,000 and the courage to start. Your journey could begin today.